Hey there, Cosmic Nuts and Cosmic Naughties, and welcome to another Cooking with Cos. This time, I'm going to teach you how to make a baked potato. I know what you're thinking, but Cos, I can make a baked potato. Just poke it with a fork, throw it in the microwave for 6 to 8 minutes, baked potato. That is not a baked potato. That is a microwave potato. Also, when you wrap the potato in aluminum foil, that's not a baked potato. That's a steamed potato. So today, we're going to teach you how to make a baked potato right. And the first thing we need to do is we need to poke some holes in it, just like if you were throwing this in a microwave. And what this does is this allows somewhere from the moisture of the potato to go, aka the steam. And when you wrap it with tin foil, that steam gets trapped in and that cooks the potato. But this is going to let the moisture out, as well as make a nice flaky potato when we're done. All right. Now, the other thing that you need to do, and I don't know about you, but half the fun for eating a baked potato for me is eating that skin at the end. So yeah, we want to take care of that skin and make it tasty, don't we? And how we're going to do that is by adding some olive oil to it. All right. A little bit of olive oil, nothing too crazy. And I did put the gloves on so that, we can spread it around. Hopefully that'll be enough for all three of these. We get this all mixed around good. Drop that one down in that. Guess we still got a little bit too much oil in there. That's okay. I'm just going to take a paper towel and get rid of that here. And then we'll salt these. Both sides, of course. And then we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half. All right, and here they are out of the oven. As you'll see, they're nice and tender and done. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these plated up, shall we? Hold on. All right. So we're just going to take a fork, poke it down in there, give a little cut each way, boom, boom, and give it a squeeze. Whew. Yeah, that's still pretty hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of there, but there is a fair amount of steam. And yeah, just look at how nice and flaky that potato is. And yeah, one of my favorite ways to have a baked potato is take a little bit of butter, pepper, oh, come on, a little bit of salt. And honestly, this is one of my favorite ways to have a potato. But we're not done there. Let's grab another one, shall we? All right. Boom. Do the same thing. Fork to cut, because it is that done. Give it a squeeze. Fork some of this stuff loose. And then on this one, what we're gonna do, take a nice little dollop of sour cream on there. Still gotta do the salt and pepper on that though. All right. And then, if you know me, you might know what's next. And that's some bacon bits. Oh. Plenty of bacon bits on there. Oh, all right. Definitely giving that butter some time to melt in there. Oh. I mean, look at how tender that is. And yeah, not too much, not just butter. Let's get it nice and mixed up. I mean, look at that. It's done perfectly. I know it's just a baked potato, but when it's done right, it's done right. And if you're not making baked potatoes like this, you're fucking doing it wrong. And now, you know, the one that I know you guys really want to see a little bit of is that sour cream, bacon, and potato. Well, this is one of my favorite ways. That's how it's done. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I put out a new video. And remember, I'm not here to make you skinny. I'm here to make you happy, because happy is healthy. That's going to do it for me. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.
Send Carson money on PayPal so he can buy himself something to eat. Then he won't have to sell his body to Albanian men on the street. Where a broke hippie is living out in the desert, no money and no shoes. And he may smoke the marijuana, but at least he won't spend it on booze. If you enjoy Kaz's videos with their off-the-grid DIY